Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to save a Fiverr gig as a draft. This is incredibly useful when you want to create your gig in stages without publishing it immediately, giving you the flexibility to refine your offering before it goes live. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your seller dashboard. After logging in successfully, you'll be directed to your main Fiverr dashboard where you can manage all your selling activities. Now, look at the top menu of your screen. You'll see several options there, and you want to click on My Business. This will open a drop-down menu with various management options. From that drop-down, select Gigs. This section is where you'll manage all your existing gigs and create new ones, making it the central hub for your Fiverr services. Once you're in the Gigs section, turn your attention to the right panel of the screen. Here you'll find a button that says Create a New Gig. Click on it to begin setting up your new service offering. This action will take you to the gig creation page where you'll fill in all the necessary details about what you're offering. The first thing you'll need to do is enter your gig title. This is the headline that potential buyers will see first, so make it clear and compelling. After entering your title, move on to selecting your category by clicking the drop-down menu. Choose the category that best fits the service you're providing. Next, you'll need to select your service type, again by clicking the drop-down menu. This helps Fiverr understand exactly what kind of service you're offering so they can match you with the right buyers. Following that, select your language from the available options. This tells buyers which language you'll be communicating and delivering in. Continue by selecting your content type from the drop-down menu. This further refines what you're offering and helps with proper categorization. Then, select your genre to give even more specificity to your gig. These selections are important because they determine how your gig appears in search results and recommendations. Now, enter your search tags. These are keywords that buyers might use when looking for services like yours, so choose them carefully to maximize your visibility. Once you've filled in all these details, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save and Continue. Here's the important part you need to understand. The moment you click Save and Continue, Fiverr automatically saves your gig as a draft, even though you haven't finished setting up all the details or publishing it yet. This means your work is protected and you can come back to complete it later without losing anything. To verify that your gig has been saved as a draft, click on Dashboard in the top menu to return to your main dashboard. From there, navigate back to the top menu, click My Business again, and then select Gigs just like you did before. This time, when you're in the Gigs section, look for the Draft tab and click on it. You'll see your draft gig listed right there, waiting for you to complete and publish whenever you're ready. This feature ensures you never lose your progress and can work on your gigs at your own pace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.